Welcome back to another video where we are talking about pivot tables. If you saw my last video about budgets, we used this automate budget button to go through and label all these transactions with a certain type of transaction. So for example, we're buying groceries, we have phone bills, etc. To make a pivot table, what we want to do is select all of our columns and include the headers, and make sure you include your entire data set. We're going to go to the Insert button, drop down to Pivot Table, create a new sheet, and now we can organize this data either using the suggestions or by creating our own. What we're looking for is the sum of amount for each type. So this will now give us the different types of expenditures that we're making, and then the total for those purchases. So you can see here, if we copy this and we go back to our sheet over here and we paste this over here, and then we're going to scroll over. Let's make this a little thinner. Here we go. We got the exact same info that we did with our custom formula. Again, if you want to understand how this formula is, I covered it quickly in my last video, but we're completing the exact same thing with just a SUMIF function. So we're checking the sum here, but only if column D has the keyword we're looking for. So for example, on grocery, if grocery is in column D, then we want to get the amount in column B and add all those up. So you can use this, or you can complete the same objective with a pivot table, which is rather easy to use. Just a couple clicks. You can customize it. You can clear the info rather quickly and start over. So we can change it to transaction amount, and then we could organize the columns by type. So let's see how this looks. Let's go like this, auto format. So a couple of different ways of grabbing your data and looking at it. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe, tell your friends, and hit that alert button so you're up to date with my latest and greatest videos. Until next time.